kids, how are you? Today I'm going to take your English class. Today I'm going to discuss E in the middle sound words. Okay, what are the words coming under E in the middle? You have already learned about A, E, I, O, U in the middle sound words. Again, I am recalling and remembering you the words with this activity. Okay, let's start. Okay, first word, have a look here. Pa in pin. Pa in pin. Next, s in sin. S in sin. Ba in bin. Ba in bin. F in fin. F in fin. Ta in tin. Ta in tin. These are the in sound words. Then it it. Okay. Pa it pit. Pa it pit. It sit. It sit. Ba it bit. Ba it bit. It fit. It fit. Ta it tit. Not ta. This is F. It fit. It fit. Ha it hit. Ha it hit. Okay. This is IP. Ip. Z ip zip. Z ip zip. S ip sip. S ip sip. L ip lip. L ip lip. T ip tip. T ip tip. D ip dip. D ip dip. Okay, next IG ig. Ig, what are the ig sound word? Ig mig. Ig mig. Va ig wig. Va ig wig. Ba ig big. Ba ig big. Ig fig. Ig fig. Da ig dig. Da ig dig. Okay, children, you have to remember these words in, it, ig. These are the 2-letter sound word. You will make 3-letter sound word. CBC words. Okay, you have to practice and remember all the words. Thank you again. I hope you all enjoy this activity. Bye bye.